How to get rid of hot flashes without hormones? Well, that's easy to accomplish if you're consuming these amino acids in your diet. Amino acids are the building blocks of life. They play a vital role in many of the body's functions, including digestion, anti-aging, hormonal regulation, cellular repair, just to name a few. Most importantly, they provide a source of energy for your body. While it's always important to eat a balanced diet to get as many essential amino acids as possible, there are 3 specific types of amino acids that have been linked with improving menopause symptoms. The first is arginine. During menopause, many women may experience hot flashes. This is caused by a condition known as endothelial dysfunction, which is a blood vessel disorder that comprises vessels' ability to circulate blood efficiently by failing to produce enough nitric oxide, a chemical that helps vessels relax. When consumed, arginine is transformed into nitric oxide, so it can help resolve the symptoms of endothelial dysfunction, including hot flashes. The second is lysine. Lysine is an essential amino acid, which means the body does not produce it on its own. Instead, we have to get what we need from the foods we eat. During menopause, lysine helps prevent arginine from being absorbed directly by cells, ensuring it remains in circulation where it can help blood vessels operate more efficiently. Lysine is important for the production of hormones and enzymes that play vital roles in menopause. It also helps build strong bones by promoting calcium absorption. The third is carnitine. Although not an amino acid, carnitine is a compound that's produced by the amino acids lysine and methoiathine. Carnitine has been shown to help with weight loss when combined with a sensible diet and increased activity, making it a useful tool for counteracting the extra pounds that often accompany menopause. If you're experiencing hot flashes or any of the symptoms of menopause, there are natural ways to help your body adjust. Here's one proven way that has helped thousands of women breeze through menopause for more than 30 years. All you have to do is drink one drink once a day and you're done. And that drink is Body Balance. Body Balance is a cold-pressed liquid whole food supplement. It contains all of the above amino acids in a form that are highly absorbable, just as Mother Nature intended. Body Balance is made from 9 wild harvested sea veggies, organically grown aloe vera, a little honey and black cherry. To learn more about how Body Balance can help you lead a healthier, happier life, overcome hot flashes and combat other uncomfortable symptoms of menopause, visit asuperalternative.com. That address again, asuperalternative.com.